What's up, nerds? Chef Harrison. We're gonna be hanging out outside, grilling some mushrooms. We got some Mile High Fungi to go along with a nice sauce chasseur. Chasseur. It's a French hunter sauce consisting of more mushrooms. So we're gonna do a little grilled mushrooms, a little mushroom sauce to go with it. Let's get into it. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. All right, we got our grill all set up. We got some Maitake mushrooms, as well as some little adorable chanterelles. And then our marinade, we're just gonna be a little bit of Worcestershire and soy sauce. Magical combo. We're just gonna salt our mushrooms a little bit of oil, double check our grill. And then as we grill them and turn them around, we're just gonna keep brushing it, get all that flavor in there. So this is a little konro grill. It's really small but effective, and we got it as hot as we can. It's all the way to the top. So we want a nice sear on there. And we're just gonna let these bad boys go and kind of flip them as we need. Baste them the whole time. All right, so we also got a little cast iron here. We're gonna make our sauce same time. Here we've got more mushrooms, we got more chanterelles, we got a little black trumpets, as well as some of the Miatakes. Season these bad boys up, a little bit of salt. So Chasseur sauce typically is gonna be seen on rabbit a lot, because like you're a hunter. It's good on beef. I've had it on fish before, which seems a little weird, but it is absolutely divine. It's just got a ton of like the concentration from the demi and those mushrooms give it a lot of umami in there. It's a lovely sauce. You could just put it on a shoe if you really needed to. In a pinch, you know what I'm saying?
Locals living lawless now, doing whippets with witches in these Jesus. Shoot your shotgun at your Halloween sign, put holes in your thesis. So come to GUMBO me, what came before it looks a little foreign, cause the new strange is so normal. Need a little change, life to rearrange, prefer the dull range to the mundane. Getting live, my bones are crushed. You know what come one day, so I'll never trust that vision from a witch or a priest you caress. Show me how it is, you a lying piece of shit. Well, let me fix my marijuana like my glitch, I know you wanna.
All right, we're gonna add our shallots, just get a little sweat on there. All right, our mushrooms look real nice. And with that soy sauce and Worcestershire, they're gonna get like a real nice and meaty flavor. It's gonna be like our steak for this little snacky dish right here.
Malibu, dollar. With that East LA living, coast factory chillin'.
All right, we're gonna do a little bit of pepper, deglaze with a little canned wine. We got a little bit of beef stock as well. Let that come together. All right, so a concassate tomato is just, you blanch it real quick, and then you peel that skin. You cut it into quarters and take the seeds and the core out, and then you cut it into little dices. It's for a little bit of texture, but also just that acidity from the tomato in there as well. All right, we got our demi. We just want a little bit of that raw wine flavor to come out. So demi-glace is gonna be like a stock we make out of veal bones typically, and then you reduce it. It takes, to make your own demi, normally you make a lot and it takes like 3 days of just reducing. So you've got that flavor, and then you're just concentrating it along with the collagen as well. So it kind of gives your, not only does it give your sauce flavor, but the texture as well. Like it'll coat your tongue a little bit, and it's almost, if I could say a sauce was like kind of the texture you were chewing on it. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you make it at home, you'll understand.
You see my chain, the silver shines. Forget my Montclair state of mind, cause it's East LA living, ghost factory chillin', taboo with the crimes before I make my million.
All right, our mushrooms look nice. Do a final little paste. Little cognac. Oh, God. All right, this looks nice. We're going to add a little butter in there. A little bit more of our beef stock, just thin it out a touch. So that nice sheen is a little bit from the butter, but that texture is going to be from that demi-glace. And then the last step, we just got a little chervil and parsley. It's tarragon, it's not chervil. Chervil is like if parsley and tarragon had a baby. Pretty good.
That's what you always say.
It is pretty good each time. It's pretty good.
Feels like I'm eating the sauce.
Please excuse the improper grammar. This part of the protocol not planned by the programmer. There's a change, so I have to flow. Mr. Wim misused a bow. I'll teach you a lesson if you listen to me. I'll define what it means when I say stating is smoking, drink exclusively. It's the choice to live momentarily, cause you can't read twisted stress soberly, so you gotta let loose occasionally. Brand new, got paid to spill the guts, I'll give you mine for free. Keep digging.
We made some grilled mushrooms we got from Mile High Fungi with a little sauce Chasseur, also from Mile High Fungi. Let's get in there. I know you make fun of me every time, but it is pretty good. All right, you want to try some?
Yeah.
This is one of the tastier
Is there
things we've
anything
made.
nutty in there?
Psh, that's probably the mushrooms in the grill. Yeah, I think we did a great job. Nerds. You got to say nerds like when you walk into the building. You walk in and you go, "What up, nerds?" And then they're like, "Ah." And then that's really how you establish dominance.
He's selling living, ghost factory chilling, devil with crimes before I